Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Amanda Ensing. Welcome. So today I wanted to dedicate this whole video to my top 5 essential things you need when you want to pamper yourself at home. I've done a lot of pamper routines here on my channel and I just love a good pamper spa date with me, myself, and I at home. So I wanted to do a whole video on products that I just cannot live without. That just made me feel good. If you're new or you haven't already, I would love if you would hit subscribe down below to join my YouTube family. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And without further ado, let's get right into my favorites. My first product is the Kenzie IPL Hair Removal Hand Set. This portion of the video is sponsored by Kenzie. I first introduced you guys to Kenzie a year ago when I started using their device. I have a whole video that has a Q&A in depth on this little guy. If you want to check it out after this video, I will link it. I'll have it here in a little card as well. But this makes hair removal so easy. You start to see results in a couple of weeks, but it takes a full 12 weeks, once a week, to get your body hair free. If you're not familiar with what an IPL is, it's an intense pulse light. So this little guy takes light energy and converts it into heat. It targets the melanin colors in your hair to remove the hair. So once you shave, you can use it all over the body. I like to keep things as simple and easy as possible. There are already so many things we do as women for grooming and glam and upkeep. This is something that is so easy. It doesn't take a lot of time. I've tried every hair removal process possible. I've tried waxing, I've tried razors, I've tried professional laser. Professional laser hurts a lot, at least for me. It's very painful and it's very, very expensive. This is convenient because you can do it at home, 5 different settings, so you don't have to worry about pain. It's really all about up to your tolerance and what you want. It's gonna work regardless, at least in my experience. I don't do it on a high level. I keep it on the lower levels. It doesn't hurt. It's fast. You can do it at home and it's only one cost. It has up to 10 years of flashes, which is a very long time. And once you complete the 12 weeks, you really only have maintenance upkeep after that. You can do it 1, 2, 3, a couple times a year whenever you feel you need to do an upkeep. Everyone's hair grows differently, so it really just depends on your hair growth. I started using mine last spring and it just made summer so much easier because I didn't have to think about shaving my legs or my underarms. You just don't have to think about it. And I started using this because I was looking for as many beauty at home, spa at home items that I could use with everything being shut down with lockdown last year. I love being able to do this in the comfort of my own home. I don't have to go anywhere. It's not uncomfortable. Sometimes you feel uncomfortable when you go to get professional laser done, especially if you're doing your whole body. To use it, it's really simple. All you have to do is plug in the cord. It goes right here. And then once you plug it in, the power light will turn green and then you press the power button and you can pick your setting on the front. It's a pretty wide light, so you can cover bigger areas at a time. You can either press the button to pulse light and pulse remove, or you can hold down the button and glide it up your skin. I personally like the glide option. It's just a lot faster. So I like to use the glide and then I'll use the pulse for any spots I feel like I missed. By the time you're done doing it, you're like, did I even do it right? Because it's just so quick, it's just so fast. Summer's almost here, so it's a great time to get it now so you can have a couple of weeks to use it. It makes things so much easier, especially if you're gonna spend a lot of time outside. You wear a lot of shorts, you show your legs, your arms. You can use it on your legs, your arms, your underarms. You can even use it on your upper lip. I'll link it down below, so make sure to go check it out. You can go to their website. It's kenzie.com. It's KENZZI.com. And they also gave me a discount code if you wanna use it as well. It's AE50. It'll give you $50 off just for my subscribers, which is amazing. So make sure to go check it out. I love this, and especially with summer coming, like I said, I need it in my life. Another product I can't live without is my Essential Oil Diffuser. I actually have this little guy in 3 different colors all throughout the house because I am just using essential oils all throughout the day. I am very much obsessed with scents and how my home smells, how the room smells, and it's something I just look forward to every single day. It's always the first thing I do in the mornings. I go in the living room and I pick out what scents I want to put in here, and then I'll go in my beauty room and get my beauty room going, and then I'll do my bedroom and make my bed, just so the whole house is just smelling good throughout the day. And it holds a lot of water. I really only do it once or twice a day, and it lasts almost the entire day. This one has 4 different settings. You have 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, or on. I just always leave it on, and then once the water runs out, it just automatically turns off. It also has the light setting that's next to it as well, so you can change this little light, or you can have no light at all. I wanted to mention this one because I know it can be really intimidating trying to pick out what kind of essential oil diffuser to use, because there are a lot online. I've tried a lot of them. I've tried more expensive ones than this. I've tried less expensive ones than this, and this one so far has been my favorite, which is why I have 3 of them around the house. And look, I love candles. I'm a candle queen. I'm also obsessed with candles, so it's not like I use this and I don't use candles, but this is a whole nother vibe. They just play different roles in my house. This is more for aromatherapy. It's obviously safer than candles, especially if you're gonna leave. Like, I can leave this on if I'm going somewhere and I know it's gonna be okay because it's not flammable, it's not lit. It's just water, and it'll turn off when it runs out. I love all of the possibilities you can use with essential oils, just depending on your mood. You can buy blends, you can buy individuals, and it really just depends on how you're feeling or what you want to accomplish with essential oils. And it's so fun. Like, I look forward to doing my essential oil blends every day. I do a different blend in every room whenever I set everything up. Every oil has its purpose and has different benefits, but some oils can even prevent bacteria and mold in your home or in the air. Once I redecorated my beauty room, I kind of had a little bit of this paint smell still left over from the vanity. So I did a tea tree blend. I looked up some stuff online and it got rid of the smell so fast. I had tried candles, I had tried opening the windows, but the smell wasn't going away. And using this with some tea tree oil took everything out. It absorbed everything that was in the air. Definitely look into it, but essential oils have so many amazing benefits. So this is something that's not only for at-home pamper routines, it very much is that, but it relieves stress, it calms me, and I just love my diffuser. My next essential is my skincare fridge. I'm obsessed with my skincare fridge. It's so good and it's so cute. And I know that there are so many skincare fridges out there, or little mini fridges, but this one is just so good, so I had to mention it. Skincare fridges are essentially mini fridges, and you put your skincare in there. I'm gonna go all into that. But when they first started coming out, they were just like little drink fridges, but now there are so many great actual fridges meant for skincare, where they have the little like pockets that you can put your face mask and the different little tiers. They're getting so creative, and I love to see it because I love skincare. One of the first reasons why I love using my skincare fridge is it just makes me feel good. Like, plain and simple, it just makes me feel so pampered because I have a very lengthy skincare routine. I love doing all of my skincare products. And it's just something that makes me feel good in the morning, and then before I go to bed at night. It's like how I start my day and how I end my day. And it just feels so good coming out of the fridge because all of your creams are cold and your oils. It's also really great for puffy skin, for irritated skin, for red skin. It really helps to calm down the skin when your creams are colder. Before I had a skincare fridge, I would sometimes put like sprays and creams in my fridge. I know it's weird, but certain products that I had would say, oh, you can put in the fridge for an extra effect. I would never go downstairs to get them, because when you're getting ready for bed, you're already probably like just trying to get to bed, and no one wants to go all the way to the kitchen, no matter how small or how big your house is. I just feel like mentally you just don't do it. At least I didn't do it. So having it right there at my sink, it's super cute. All of my skincare products are in there that I like to keep cold. It makes it a whole spa experience every single day. I bought this one last year because the reviews were great and it wasn't too expensive, and I really loved it. The only con with this fridge is sometimes you get a little bit of like water that settles on the bottom, but I just take a little rag and wipe it out. But skincare fridges can get very expensive, especially as the hype keeps going higher and higher and everyone wants them. They get really expensive, and I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on a skincare fridge because it is just essentially a mini fridge. So definitely check this one out. I love it so much. It's so cute. I think they still have different colors as well, but I like the pink one just because it was cute. But I love my skincare fridge, and it's something that I just cannot be without. If you've never taken an Epsom salt bath, you're missing out on life. This is bath essential number 1. Dr. Teal's is the GOAT. It's so good. It is my favorite Epsom salt. I purchased this a few years ago just randomly when I wanted to start trying Epsom salt baths. I originally wanted to start trying them because I was lifting really heavy weights and my muscles would get really, really sore, and it's great at reducing soreness throughout your muscles, throughout your body. If you work out a lot, if you have pain in your body, back pain. My mom even does this because she gets some pain in her legs, and this helps her out a lot. I love it. It's so good. They have so many different scents. This one is the activated charcoal and Hawaiian black lava salt. I gotta smell it really quick because it smells, oh, so I smell them here. Oh my, this smells like a man. It smells kind of like mahogany teak wood from Bath and Body Works. Have you ever smelled that? Or like the Bath and Body Works flannel candle. It's so good, but they have so many different ones. They also have CBD ones. They have energizing ones. The lavender is really good as well. What this does is it helps to ease pains in your body, and Epsom salt baths have so many benefits. I'll list some of the benefits here on the screen, but it's great at also firming your skin, and some people say it helps with weight loss because it gets all the excess water weight out of your body. When you put this into the bath water, the whole room just smells like whatever scent. I love the lavender one as well because it's very calming before bed. And I love baths. I think baths are so necessary. I don't care what anyone says, baths are necessary. Having a bath at least once a week is like my me time. Don't talk to me, don't bother me. Let me just sit and soak in the bath and not think about anything. I believe they all have essential oils in them as well. Like this one has juniper and grapefruit essential oils. They're so good. You can never go wrong. I have tried every new scent that they come out with. When I see it at the grocery store, I'm like, I need that in my life. Epsom salt also detoxes your body. So it draws out toxins and makes your skin soft, smooth. I love it. So good. My final staple product is my facial steamer. I have used this so many different times on my YouTube and Pamper routines. This is the final step to transforming your home into a mini spa along with everything else that I mentioned. This is something that I use quite often for a few different purposes. This one actually has a little essential oil basket as well. If you can see a little trend here, I love essential oils. So this little guy can be used with skincare as well as just for wellness. I'll share my top 2 ways that I use my facial steamer. The first way is with clay masks or some kind of mask that needs to sit on the skin. I love using this with clay masks because the clay doesn't quite dry all the way. I learned it at a facial a couple of years ago and I've been doing it ever since. If you watched my last Pamper routine, I showed how I use this with my clay mask and it just makes everything so good. It's just so relaxing and I just feel like I have my own little spa in my bathroom. The second way that I use it is on bare skin with essential oils. And sometimes I'll just use it in the mornings or at night after I've done my skincare just to have a refresh. But I often get headaches. And so when I get headaches, I don't like to just go run and get medicine. I try not to take medicine at all. So what I like to do is I will put some peppermint and some eucalyptus in here. Peppermint is great for headaches. So I'll put the oils in there and just breathe all of the steam, and automatically like my nasal congestion goes away. It's also great when I get like allergy backup. It just clears everything up and it's so relaxing. The water filter is in the back. You just fill it up with filtered water, plug it in. There's a little touch button. You just touch it and it turns blue. And then the nozzle you can actually move up or down depending on, what angle you want. And I've had mine for a few years. It's great. I love it. Definitely recommend it. Again, everything that I mentioned, I'll link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. But this is something that I use almost every single day. I have to take like at least 5 minutes out of the day for myself to just detox and relax, and it's just so good. If you love skincare, if you love just relaxing, even without skincare, like I said, with essential oils, you have to have it. It's so good. So those are my top 5 essentials for pampering yourself at home, from hair removal all the way up to skincare fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll link everything down below, including the Kenzie IPL hair removal handset. You can go to kenzie.com, use my code AE50 for $50 off. Everything will be in the down bar. If you guys like these type of favorites videos, please make sure to give this one a thumbs up, smash that like button down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and join my YouTube family. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your must-have items are for pampering yourself at home. You know, one thing that I love in addition to chatting with you guys in the comments is you guys become friends with each other. We have this amazing community here of beauty lovers and just amazing people. So comment down below, let's all chat. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. God bless, and I will catch you in my next brand new video.